Good afternoon. Chapter Continuity and Differentiability. Exercise 6.1, question number 7. The question is, the length x of a rectangle is decreasing at the rate of 5 cm per minute and the width y is increasing at the rate of 4 cm per minute. When x equal to 8 cm and y equal to 6 cm, find the rates of change of the perimeter and the area of the rectangle. Okay. So this question, it is given length x of a rectangle is decreasing at the rate of 5 cm per minute. So solution according to question, dx by dt, that is length x of a rectangle, is decreasing at the rate of 5 cm per minute. So dx by dt equal to decreasing 5 cm per minute, that is minus 5 because of decreasing centimeter per minute. Okay, and with y is increasing. Y is increasing at the rate of 4 cm per minute. That means, and dy by and dy by dt and dy by dt is y is increasing at the rate of 4 cm per minute. Okay, 4 cm per minute. Okay, so increasing, so take plus sign, and decreasing minus sign. Now, when x equal to 8 and y equal to 6, find the rate of change of the perimeter and the area of the rectangle. Okay, so perimeter of the rectangle. Now P be the perimeter, then P equal to 2 into x plus y. This is the perimeter of the rectangle. Okay, so differentiate both sides with respect to t, that is dp by dt equal to 2 into x derivative dx by dt plus y derivative dy by dt. Okay, so dx by dt equal to minus 5, so equal to 2 into minus 5 plus dy by dt is 4, it is 4, equal to minus 5 plus 4 minus 1, that is minus 2, equal to minus 2, and perimeter, so unit is centimeter because it is a length, so centimeter per minute, centimeter per minute. Okay, now area, rate of change of the perimeter and the area of the rectangle. So A equal to area, again area of the rectangle, we know length into breadth, that is xy, length into breadth. Now differentiate both sides with respect to t. So dA by dt in time t equal to x into y, apply UV rule. So x into dy by dt plus y into dx by dt. Okay, so dA by dt equal to it is given question x equal to 8 and y equal to 6. X equal to 8, so 8 into and dy by dt 4 So 8 into 4 plus y equal to 6. 6 into, and dx by dt is minus 5. So minus 5. So 4 into 8, 32. Minus, plus minus minus, 5 into 6, 30. Equal to 2. So area unit is centimeter square. Centimeter square per minute. So the question is, find the rates of change, the perimeter and the area of the rectangle. So perimeter is minus 2 centimeter per minute and rate of change of area is 2 centimeter square per minute. Okay? Hello?
Yes, sir.
It is clear? Perimeter is,
Yes, sir.
perimeter is minus 2 centimeter per minute. It is decreasing because of minus sign. And area is increasing 2 centimeter square per minute. Rate of change. Next, question number 8. The question is, a balloon which always remains spherical on is being inflated by pumping in 900 cubic centimeter, in 900 cubic centimeter, that is centimeter cube of gas per second. Centimeter cube per second. Okay, find the rate, find the rate at which the radius of the balloon increases when the radius is 15 centimeter. Okay, so a balloon which always remains spherical on inflation is being inflated by pumping in 900 centimeter cube per second. Find the rate at which the radius of the balloon increases. Radius of the balloon increases when the radius is 15 centimeter. Okay, so let R be the radius and V the volume. Let R be the radius and V be the of the balloon at any time t. Okay. Now it is given question dV by dt 900 centimeter cube per second. So according to question, dV by dt, it is given 900 centimeter cube per second. Okay, and R equal to 15 centimeter. Radius is given equal to 15 centimeter. Okay, now V, what is the formula of V? The balloon V equal to, hello, V equal to, it is a
4 by 3 pi r cube.
4 by 3
So 4 by 3 pi r cube.
sphere, no, 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, so differentiate both sides with respect to t, that is dV by dt equal to 4 by 3 pi constant into r square. R cube is 3r square dr by dt. With respect to t, dr by dt. Now 3 cancel, that is 4 pi r square dr by dt, and dV by dt equal to 900. Okay, now 900 by 4 pi r square, 900 by 4 pi r square equal to dr by dt, and r is the radius, r equal to 15. So equal to dr by dt equal to 900 by 4 pi into r equal to 15. 15 into
15 square.
15 into 15. Now 4 into 15, it is 60. So 900 by pi into 60 into 15. Okay, 1 0 0 cancel, and 15 into 90, 6. 6 15 90, and then 6 cancel, 6 6. So
1 by pi.
1. Okay, so dr by dt equal to dr by dt equal to 1 by pi. Okay, this is the radius, and radius unit is centimeter only. Length, so centimeter per second. Okay, question is find the rate at which the radius of the balloon increases. Okay, therefore rate of change of radius, hence rate of change of radius is one by pi centimeter per second. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, it is clear? Hello? Understood? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Any question?
Yes, sir.
Any question?
No, sir.
Okay. Next, say question number 9. A balloon which always remains spherical has a variable radius. Variable radius. That means radius is changing, not fixed. Find the rate. Find the rate at which its volume is increasing. Increasing with the radius when the letter is 10 centimeter. So after that it is 10 centimeter. Okay. So balloon which always remains spherical has a variable radius. So radius is variable, means it is changing, not fixed. Find the rate at which its volume is increasing with the radius when the letter is 10 centimeter. So after that it is 10 centimeter. So let R be the radius. Let R be the radius and V be the volume. Now it is given question R equal to 10 centimeter. So according to question, R equal to radius 10 centimeter. Now question is find the rate at which its volume is increasing. So V, it is a balloon, that means sphere. So formula is V equal to, now V equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. And differentiate both sides with respect to R, because R is variable. So dV by dr equal to 4 by 3 pi into 3r square. Now 3 cancelled, so 4 pi into r radius equal to 10, it is given. So 10 square, it is 100, equal to 400 pi dV by dr. And unit is centimeter cube. Centimeter, it is given radius, so centimeter cube. And radius is centimeter. Radius unit is centimeter. Okay. So 400 pi centimeter cube per centimeter. This is the rate of change of its volume. Therefore, rate of change equal to 400 pi centimeter cube per centimeter with respect to r radius. This is the answer. Okay. Hello. It is clear? Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Next question. Number 10.
Yes, sir.
10 number is a ladder 5 meter long. $5 meter long is leaning against a wall. The bottom of the ladder, lower part, that is bottom of the ladder is pulled along the ground. From the wall, away from the wall, at the rate of at the rate of 2 centimeter per second. 2 centimeter per second. How fast is its height on the wall? Height on the wall decreasing when the foot of the ladder is 4 meter away from the wall. Okay, this is the question. So it is a ladder 5 meter long, okay, is leaning against a wall. The bottom of the ladder is pulled along the ground, okay, along the ground bottom, away from the wall at the rate of 2 centimeter per second. How fast is its height on the wall decreasing? Height is decreasing. How fast? When the foot of the ladder is 4 meter away from the wall. Okay. So let foot of the ladder be x and height be y meter. Let foot of the ladder be x meter, foot is x, and height
Y.
Height of the ladder be y meter, okay, from the wall. So foot of the ladder be x meter, foot of the ladder be x meter, this is from the wall, okay. And height is y meter, okay, at time t, okay. Now you can draw here. So this okay, so this is x foot, and this is height of the height is y, height of the ladder is y, so this is y, this is the ladder y, and this is the wall, okay. You can say this is O, this is the foot. Now this is 90 degree, and it is given no question. The ladder is 5 meter long. 5 meter long. So this is 5. 5 meter long, it is given question. So ladder is 5 meter long against a wall. Bottom of the ladder is along the ground. So this is x, and height of the wall, that is, this is y. Height of the wall. So foot of the ladder be x from the wall, and height of the ladder, that is b y meter at time t. Okay, so this is y, this is x,
Yes, sir.
and this is a ladder height, it is given 5 meter, okay, 5 meter.
Yes, sir.
Now it is question, bottom of the ladder is pulled along the ground, bottom of the ladder is pulled along the ground away from the wall at the rate of 2 centimeter per second. So dx by dt, according to
dx
question,
by dt is equal to 2 centimeter per second.
according to question, bottom, that is x, from the wall, that is dx by dt, this is equal to 2 centimeter per second. 2 centimeter per second, okay. And how fast is height, that is dy by dt on the wall, decreasing when the foot of the ladder is 4 meter, when x equal to 4, and x equal to 4, it is 4 meter, this is meter, and convert this centimeter into meter. So 2 by centimeter to meter, 2 by 100 divided by meter per second, okay. Now apply Pythagoras theorem, that is x square plus y square equal to 5 square. So derivative 2x with respect to t, 2x dx by dt plus 2y dy by dt equal to 0, constant derivative 0, and dx by dt is 2 into
2 by 100 meter per second.
X equal to 4 meter into dx by dt is 2 by 100 plus 2y dy by dt equal to 0. Now 425 100. So 2y dy by dt equal to minus 4 by 25. And 2 to the 4, this 2,
25 by 2 minus
2 to the 4. So equal to y dy by dt minus 2 by 25. This is number 1. Okay. And then it is given now y x value. Okay. Hello. So again,
yes sir.
x square plus y square equal to 25. No. And it is given now x equal to 4. X equal to 4. So 4 4 just 16 plus
Yes, sir.
y square equal to 25. Now y square equal to 25 minus 16, it is 9. No. So y equal to plus minus 3. Y equal to
Yes, sir.
positive. Length is positive always. So y equal to 3. 3 meter. Now, therefore, from 1, 3 into dy by dt equal to 3 into dy by dt equal to minus 2 by 25. So dy by dt equal to dy by dt. This is equal to minus 2 by 3 into 25. This is meter per second. Now convert into centimeter, multiply by 100 equal to minus 2 by 3 into 25 into 100 centimeter per second. So 25, 400, it is 4. 4 into 2, 8, that is minus 8 by 3 centimeter, length unit centimeter per second. This is dy by dt. This is the answer. Okay. As per question is decreases the height of the wall. So height of the wall minus sign, so it is decreases.
Yes, sir.
So height of the wall is decreases, that is minus 8 by 3 centimeter per second. Okay. Thank you.